We're here today at 102 Yanko Road in West Pymble. This 5-bedroom home was built with a focus on the large and growing family. With its double brick construction and concrete slab second floor, this is truly the definition of good bones. They say the kitchen is the hub of the home, and with a large home like this, I imagine you're going to be doing a lot of cooking. With all this bench space, all your appliances and your gas cooktop, you are more than ready. Everything in this house is oversized, from the bedrooms, the hallways, the ceiling height, even the living areas. The kitchen flows into your informal dining, your informal living, and straight into your formal dining room, which opens, of course, onto this oversized living area equipped with your own wet bar and space for a bar fridge. Walking up to this sunny landing, I'm going to decide to take you down the west wing first, and the most exciting part about these 4 oversized bedrooms is they all have built-in robes. These 3 down here feed straight onto the main bathroom, and wait until you see the master. This oversized master bedroom has enough room for 2 king-size beds, a walk-in robe and a fully equipped ensuite, and you can walk straight out onto your very own balcony. "102 Yanko Road in West Pymble is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home on 940 square metres of land with room for 6 cars, only minutes walk to West Pymble Public School, West Pymble Shopping Village. I imagine the buyer of this home is going to be a family.